vacuum at the dust collector is great for cleaning the air. The vacuum of learning woodworking by yourself, not so much. Let's see if we can fix that today. Hi there, and welcome to the Buy Nothing Rebellion. Today, I'm sharing more free tools to help you on your woodworking journey. I'm a big fan of the 2005 movie Robots with Robin Williams and Ewan McGregor. One lesson I learned from that movie is the concept of see a need, fill a need. This is a proactive approach to creativity and innovation for problem solving, and I love it. That's kind of what this video is all about. If you saw my previous video on the My Shop layout tool, then you've already seen the see a need, fill a need approach in action. If you haven't seen that video or don't know what My Shop layout is, I'll leave a link in the description. I'd recommend you check it out. Not too long ago, I was contacted via email by someone who had purchased a CNC cut zero clearance insert from my shop. He was having some issues and wanted to know if I could help troubleshoot. In the process of contacting me, he realized we both live in the same town. When he asked if we could connect, I said, "Of course, I love meeting woodworkers, especially when they live near me." We connected over at his shop, and together we did some troubleshooting and we found the issue with the insert. Then we proceeded to spend a couple of hours talking about everything tools and woodworking related. At the end of my visit, he told me he was grateful to have found another local woodworker and that he didn't know anyone near him or in his life that had the interest in tools and woodworking like he did. I've since made a couple of trips to his shop, and I even loaned him my helical cutter head jointer so he could use that tool and see if it helps with his workflows before committing to buying one of his own. When I came home from that initial visit, my mind made the see a need, fill a need connection right away. Fast forward a few months, and I'm pleased to announce the release of another website to help you on your woodworking journey. First and foremost, let's talk about the bottom line up front. That's the bluff. I really like that phrase. The bluff is this. This new website follows the same design standards as the My Shop layout site. It's 100% free for you to use and always will be. No credit cards required, no commissions, no affiliate links, and no ads. Just connections. The site has several objectives specifically for woodworkers. Those objectives are that it's a place for you to discover other woodworkers near you. It's a place where you can showcase your work. It's a place where buyers can find you, connect with you, and you can collect real reviews from customers to enhance your social proof. If you're open to shop visits from local woodworkers like I am, you can toggle that on or off in your profile. You can list your bio, what you make, what tools you use in your shop, what services you might offer, like slab flattening, for example. You can also list your social media links for woodworkers and buyers so they can learn more about you. You can list up to 20 photos in your profile and add tags for things like how much you want for it or whether it's sold or not. There's also options to contact other woodworkers and comment on their photos. If someone comments on one of your photos, you'll get an email so you know about it. I designed this website specifically to achieve these goals while also being high speed and low drag. You could be up and running with your profile by the time this video is over. Don't leave yet. After I launched the site and mentioned it in Facebook, people started creating profiles, and I was contacted again by another local woodworker who asked about visiting my shop. You can imagine what my response was. Of course, when would you like to come by? I believe in my heart that this website can be great for woodworkers, but only if we use it. Here's your call to action. If any of this is of interest to you, please go to the site, create your profile, and upload at least one photo. I've included a feedback button on the right-hand side of the page. You can use this to let me know if you find something that isn't working. Or maybe you want to ask for a feature that I overlooked. Perhaps you were hoping for a lightweight marketplace where woodworkers could list tools that they're looking to sell to other woodworkers. Or maybe you want to be able to list some of the tools that you're willing to share to other local woodworkers like I do. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and share this video with another woodworker that you know. Also, drop a comment. Let me know, what other kind of woodworking websites do you wish existed? If it's in my wheelhouse of capability, perhaps I'll take a crack at it. Till next time, friend, Peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.